Hello बच्चों, I hope all of you are doing well right now at your home only, and I hope you also following all the guidelines of the COVID-19, which is very must. You should follow all the guidelines, and you should wear always a mask, and try to prohibit yourself in going any crowded area or any particular parties or anywhere else. Try to restrict yourself, okay, so that we can stop the spread of this particular disease, or we can say the invisible army. Now बच्चों, again we are moving back here. So let's start the topic which we were discussing in the class only. I hope you have the notes copy with you right now in a pen and paper. Basically, a notes copy you should be with you right now before watching the video. One more thing, before watching the video, you should revise all the things which we have discussed already in the part of the oscillations in the SHM. Whatever I have discussed, I will try a little bit to recap the things, but still you should revise before watching the video whatever we have discussed in the class. I hope you have this equation in the last class. I remember we have studied this particular equation in our last class. We have derived this equation. I hope you remember. I will discuss little bit about this, then after we'll try to understand ki what is the relation between x and t, displacement in time in the SHM, in the oscillation. We know when distance will change, velocity will change. We know the relation between distance and velocity, correct? What is the relation between distance and velocity? We know very well ki sir velocity will change. Let me clear you once again little bit so that you can have a very proper clarity. This was our mean position MP. This ball will go to its extreme position, then after again will move back to mean position, then again from here it will move to the extreme position, extreme to mean, mean to extreme, extreme to mean, mean to extreme, ऐसे चलते जाएगा, चलते 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 कंटिन्यूसली क्या करेगा, ये मोशन होते रहेगा. ऐसे मोशन को हम लोग कहते थे ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. और जब ये ऑसिलेटरी मोशन कंटिन्यूसली विदाउट लूजिंग इट्स मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, इट विल कम, यू कैन से takes place, we can say this motion as a simple harmonic motion also. So this is the relation between, and you know very well ki what is velocity here. Sir, velocity here is V max, maximum velocity here. Then here again, sir, slowly velocity will decrease and become zero. Here velocity becomes zero. Here again velocity slowly increase, and here up to again become velocity will become zero. I hope you know that our ball example we have put into the mask in the class only. One ball we have taken and we put into the mask and we just tried in the oscillatory motion, if you remember. Right, bachcho? Now, from here, mean position, this ball will depart and this ball again will try to move to this particular position. Let me tell you again little bit. This ball is there. If you just hit the ball, if you apply some force, this ball will go here. It will comes into the rest, then again will turn back with a very fast speed. It will come here and slowly velocity will decrease and become zero here. This is the extreme position, this is the mean position. I hope you remember this particular explanation of mine. So I am erasing this. Now we have understood the relation between velocity and displacement. Without wasting time, one more thing I want to ask you, ki what is potential energy here, sir? Sir, here is maximum. If you remember, here is potential energy is minimum. Here again potential energy is maximum. I hope you know this. Okay, bacha. When velocity will become zero, kinetic energy will become zero. So potential energy will become maximum. Here potential energy will be zero. Basically, we can say when here only which energy will be there at mean position? Only kinetic energy, which is already discussed in our class. ठीक बच्चों. So now what we are trying to find, the relation between displacement and time. What is the relation, sir? Let me think. We know that V is equals to dx by dt के बच्चे from chapter number 3, displacement upon time is equals to velocity. अरे yes sir, we remember sir. V is equal to dx. So let's put here, so that we can relate displacement and time. Let me, after rewriting, in place of V, I am writing what? Dx by dt. So what will be my equation now? Sir, your equation will be dx by dt is equals to omega into under root of OA square minus x square. Yes sir, now this equation having t and x. this is amplitude, fixed value, omega, angular velocity, it will not change, we know that very well. That is also a constant one, omega is constant here. So now bachcho, sir, we have to interchange and we will try to put x one side and t one side so that we can have an equation, we can relate distance and time. Okay, if we want to relate, what we have to do? We have to put displacement one side and time one side. So let's take displacement one side and time one side. So I am putting here dt here and this displacement term here. So it will looks like dx upon में under root of a square minus x square is equals to omega dt. Yes या no बेटा? अरे yes sir, no problem sir. Very basic maths we have applied here. इसको इधर और इसको इधर ले गए. I hope you know this. Let me check my marker. I hope you it is visible to you बेटा. Now, sir, if we integrate both the sides, we can remove here, what we need here x and here t, here is dt को t कैसे बनाएंगे सर? बहुत सिंपल सा फंडा, हमें गणित आता है, हमें मैथ्स आता है सर, वी नो द मैथ्स. dt को t बनाना सर, उसको इंटीग्रेट कर दो तो t बन जाएगा. तो सर इधर भी इंटीग्रेट करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज इट इज बेसिकली इक्वेशन. If we integrate this side, we have to integrate this side also. क्या? Yes sir, obviously no, without any hesitation we can do that. But sir, this integration we have never seen. This is the first time we are looking. Yes beta, basically this formula of the integration you have to understand here. We need to understand the integration of 1 upon under root of a square minus x square dx is equals to sine inverse x by a. This is the formula for integration. I have given the formula for integration differentiation already, but still for your general knowledge, if we integrate under root of a square minus x square dx, the answer will be sine inverse x by a. So what is here? Same formula kya? Yes sir, dx upon में, yes, same formula sir. So what we can do? Sir, we can integrate it. So what will be the formula for this sir? Sir, sine inverse x by a. What is integration? Omega is a constant, so sir omega we can take outside. Very well, we know that. What is integration of dt sir? अरे हमें पता है t sir. I hope up to this there is no problem to you beta. We know this sine inverse is here. Now we can take sine this side. Inverse है तो इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा बच्चे? Sir, we know that if sine inverse x is equal to t, then we can take sine this side, तो x will be sine t. इधर इनवर्स है तो इधर आगे क्या हो जाएगा? सीधा हो जाएगा, मीन्स +1 it will become. So similarly this very basic math, I hope you got this. Similarly I can apply this operation here, so I can write here x by a is equals to sine omega t. Yes या no? Yes sir. And now I can take this side, so it will, this equation will be looks like, I am erasing the board so that we can have a space here. Now in the upside, look at here beta, everybody else focus here. Let me change the marker also. Focus here everybody else. Now this I can write x is equals to, I can take a this side, so it will be a sine omega t. Yes या no बच्चों? Yes sir. Means if we change, the time will change, the displacement will change as per this particular equation. Let me make you very clear. Sir, sine function graph, do we know क्या sir? I hope you know that कि how sine function graph is looks like, how it varies, how it changes. Secondary, if we change the time, so let's take some values and we can understand here. Let's say this particular oscillation starts at this particular midpoint. At t equal to 0, the object is here. So place here t is equal to 0 in first case. At t equal to 0, object is here, means what will be the x equals to? Sir, if I place here t equal to 0, sine 0 it will become, and sine 0 is what? Sir, 0. So what is the x equal to 0? This is origin only. Yes sir, this equation is satisfying sir, no issues at all. Slowly time will increase, and here it will reach. At this time, what is the x? Sir, we know here this distance is called as amplitude A. Are yes या no? Distance between mean position and extreme position. Please check your notes on the back side of the page if you have written this. distance between mean position and extreme position, or else we have written 2 extreme position divided by 2, sum of the extreme position divided by 2. These 2 ways we can find the amplitude of the oscillation. Okay beta. Now at maximum time means what? At this time t means what, sir? Let's make you clear again. Little bit we go in a recap mode so that we can understand this equation little bit better way. Bachche, look at here. This oscillation started from here, it reached here. It come here, again it will go here and it will come here. एक साइकिल कंप्लीट हो गया क्या सर? ये जब यहाँ से चलते 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 यहाँ पहुँचा, चलते 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 यहाँ आया, यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ और यहाँ से यहाँ, क्या एक चक्कर पूरा लग गया क्या? हाँ सर, एग्जैक्टली सर. जब यहाँ से यहाँ गया, फिर वापस आया, फिर यहाँ गया, फिर वापस आया, फिर वापस यहाँ से चलेगा क्या? यस. तो व्हाट इज वन साइकिल? सर वन साइकिल विल बी इक्वल टू मीन टू एक्सट्रीम, एक्सट्रीम टू मीन, मीन टू एक्सट्रीम एंड एक्सट्रीम टू मीन. आई होप यू गॉट द पॉइंट. स्टिल नहीं आया हो तो फिर से देखेंगे. लो हम लोग इसको नाम दे देते हैं ओरिजिन का O, इसको A, इसको B. तो ऑब्जेक्ट O से A गया, A से O, O से B, B से O. वन साइकिल कंप्लीट. अगेन O से A, A से O, O से B, B से O. सेकंड साइकिल. So what is one cycle? Time taken to complete one cycle. What we call that? Sir, time period capital T. अरे बोलो हाँ या ना? Yes sir. Time taken to complete one cycle. What we denote beta? I am revising. This thing you should know very well already beta. This is very basic definition of oscillatory motion. The time period is very basic definition related to oscillatory motion. I hope you know that. Still, if you not, then you can focus here. Now, beta, we can divide this time period into how many parts? Sir, if it will come, it will go from here to here, here to here, and here to here, and here to here. 4 parts I think I can see. Yes, yeah. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, yeah, no. 4 parts. This time period is divided into 4 parts. Means what? If this complete time period is t, then how much time it will take from here to here? Sir, t/4 क्या? Yes, क्योंकि 1/4 डिस्टेंस कवर किया, फिर वापस यहाँ से आया तो t/4 और, तो टोटल क्या हो गया? t/2, फिर t/4 तो 3t/4, फिर t/2 तो पूरा t हो जाएगा क्या? यस सर. अरे O से A में कितना टाइम लगेगा उसको? t/4. चलो लिख देते हैं, समझा देते हैं. A से O में कितना लगेगा उसको? सर t/4. O से B में सर t/4. B से O में सर t/4. टोटल टाइम हाउ मच? एड इट. कैपिटल T बन रहा है क्या? हाँ सर. यस यस यस, इट इज मेकिंग सर, इट लुक्स लाइक दिस सर. यस, नो इश्यू सर. अच्छा, डू वी नो ओमेगा? व्हाट इज फॉर्मूला फॉर ओमेगा? सर वी नो दैट ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू 2π/t. अरे यस या नो? वेरी बेसिक डेफिनेशन ऑफ ओमेगा, एंगुलर वेलोसिटी, एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी. आई होप यू नो दैट. यस सर, वी नो. आई होप सो. नाउ वी कैन प्लेस हियर दिस वैल्यू. मीन्स ऑब्जेक्ट विल रीच फ्रॉम O to A. What will be the value of x at this point, so that we can check? Yes sir, we can check. Now we can put all the values. What? X equals to A sine. What is omega? Sir, 2π/t sir, no issues. What is t from here to here? Sir, t/4. So let's take t is equal to t/4. So what is that? Sir, it will be t/4. Sir, t से t cancel out क्या? Yes sir. 2 से 4 कैंसल क्या सर? 2 टाइम्स. So what will remain here sir? X is equal to A sin π/2. What is sin π/2 sir? Sin π/2 sin 90 sir. Sin 90 is 1 sir. Means X will be equal to A क्या सर? अरे हाँ सर. Yes 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 yes. Means object will reach to here. How much distance is covered? In t/4 times sir, A distance. What is that? Amplitude only. It means sir, this equation is very satisfactory equation for this particular oscillation. We can say that sir, this equation satisfy my conditions of oscillatory motion. Means relation between distance and time we can define with this particular equation. Yes या no बच्चे? Yes sir. It is very important equation बच्चे. It's not an you can say any local equation. It's again a very important. X is equal to A sin omega t. Means whenever any periodic motion will takes place, we can notify that particular motion with this particular equation. Yes sir, we can notify. I hope bachcho you got the point. Now sir, suppose it will come from here to here and it will reach here. How much time it will take sir? T by 4 and T by 4 how much? I think T by 4 plus T by 4 is equal to T by 2 sir. हाँ, तो again we can check here. Let's one more time check. So x is equal to a sin, अरे ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू सर होता है 2 पाई बाई टी सर. टी कितना है बच्चे? सर यहाँ से हमें टी बाई 4 फिर टी बाई 4 तो टोटल सर टाइम इज इक्वल टू टी बाई 2. अरे बोलो हाँ या ना? यस सर. टी कैंसल्ड आउट, 2 कैंसल आउट, साइन पाई. सर साइन पाई इज ऑलवेज जीरो क्या? अरे डू यू रिमेंबर आई हैव टॉट यू साइन एन पाई इज इक्वल टू जीरो व्हेन एन इज इक्वल टू 0 1 2 3 4. यस या नो? 1 2 3 4. अरे यस सर. So I can say that sin pi is equal to 0, so sin x equal to 0. And what is the x value here, sir? Again, it is a mean position, so means it is origin position, so x will be 0 here. It means, sir, this equation is now valid. I should not check further, sir. I should believe now, yes, this equation is correct. I hope, bachcho, you got the point which I made here. So this is again a very simple harmonic equation. You should remember very, very well, beta. Yes. Okay, बच्चे. तो I hope यहाँ तक हमारी कहानी हमें समझ में आ गई होगी. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू, यू शुड मेंटेन द नोट्स. दिस शुड बी इन योर नोट्स वट एवर आई एम टीचिंग हियर इन दिस लेक्चर्स. Okay, either it is a video lecture or any form of content if I am providing you, that content should be in your copies, in your notes book anyhow. If I come to your place to check your copies or your copies will be come to me, that should be completed on that day. I will not listen any kind of excuses from your side. Okay beta, and I will check your copies physically whenever the situation will allow me, but you should complete your notes at the same time. I will try to provide you some practice problem on this particular equations which we have discussed already now, so that you can get a very proper clarity related to these also. Okay beta, and rest of you, those who are solving SL Aurora, those who are solving HC Verma or some of the student MTG, you can practice from there also. Okay beta, and you can send your doubts to your respective class teacher. He will provide me and I will clear your doubts from there also. Okay beta, but one more thing I want to clear you beta, this is one of the most important phase of your life, of especially of 11th class students. Again I am giving you some few words beta. It's not like that ki still I am you can say discussing in the video lecture also, but beta it is one of the most important thing you should understand ki 11th class is the like whatever you have done is okay now, but you should utilize this particular time period which you have remaining for 11th class very very well, because once you will not utilize, if you will disturb your 11th class, your 12th class will be disturbed, and beta your target, your achieve, whatever your goal you want to achieve, it will be get disturbed very very badly. I am telling you very honestly, because this phase, if 11th class is not very clear to you, I can guarantee you 12th class somehow you will learn very well, no issues, but this 11th class backlog will hurt you very badly in your future examination which you will appear for any competitive examination. You can't crack without 11th class beta. You should understand this particular point. And one more thing, you don't have enough time now. Okay, you have only 10-11 months left for your competitive examinations, because after that you have to do the revision also. So those who are preparing very well, those who are preparing hardly beta, I am telling you, you should be very well aware of the timings, you should very well aware of the concept which you have studied. You should revise the things again and again, so that you can remember very properly and you can understand and you can correct the questions based on that particular problems very easily. Okay bachcho. So now, yes, now I am going to move to the next particular point, which is again a very important, we have to understand. So I am going to erase the board, so let us stop the video. Okay bachcho, so let's continue again. This is very simplified version I have written here. I hope you can understand this equation. What we want to draw the graph between V and X. I hope these relations are with you already now. These three relations you can check in your copies also. Secondary, we have this equation, we have done simplification because we want to draw the graph between velocity and displacement. So we need a simplified equation so that we can make a graph out of it. Okay beta. So now if we will focus here, if we have what we have done, I have squaring both the sides. So this equation you can simplification you can understand here, I hope so, there is no problem at all. I don't want to waste my time there also. This thing is very very simple and this is very very clear to you. Sir, omega square cancel kya? Yes, we can do. So after rewriting, I am writing here again the equation v square upon में omega square a square plus x square by a square is equals to 1. And what we have to do, sir, we have to do is to make a graph between velocity and displacement. So let's take this axis as a velocity axis and this axis is a x-axis. Sir, but can we make directly some points we can put kya, sir? What points, sir? Because sir, we know that कि sir, what is the maximum value of x is possible? Sir, x का maximum value तो amplitude minus a to plus a. अरे yes या no? Yes sir. So x can vary from minus a to sir plus a. अरे बोलो हाँ या ना? Yes sir. अरे there is any problem क्या? No sir. This is the origin point. I hope you can understand. Okay beta, let me change a little bit yes, my camera angle. I hope this thing is very visible to you all. Now beta, this is origin point 0, 0. On this axis, on the x-axis, the velocity value will be 0 kya? Yes sir, here velocity coordinates are 0 and here x coordinates are 0. Now tell me, with the help of this equation, if we try to draw the graph, how graph will look like? Some maths students, by sitting there, they are thinking, sir, this equation looks like an ellipse equation of ellipse. One elliptical shape will form. One elliptical shape means how that will form, we can think on it. Let's focus here. Put x equal to 0 in this equation. Put x equal to 0 in this equation मेरे बच्चों. सर x इक्वल टू 0 पुट करना है क्या? हाँ, मैं करता हूं सर इक्वेशन में, रुको. तो सर मैं जब जैसे ही पुट करूंगा x इक्वल टू 0 इन द अबव इक्वेशन, सर इन दिस इक्वेशन इफ आई पुट हियर x इक्वल टू 0, सर दिस इक्वेशन 0 ना, हियर द 0 अपॉन में a स्क्वायर 0, नो इश्यूज. v स्क्वायर बाय ओमेगा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1 हो जाएगा क्या सर? हाँ, v स्क्वायर बाय ओमेगा स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू सर 1 हो जाएगा. तो वी कैन से v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू ओमेगा स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर क्या सर? वी कैन से v इज इक्वल्स टू प्लस माइनस ओमेगा है. यस या नो बेटा? हाँ सर. यानी सर वेलोसिटी की दो वैल्यू पॉसिबल हो सकती है, प्लस ओमेगा एंड माइनस ओमेगा ए. कब? x इक्वल टू 0 पर. और सर ये वैल्यू तो सर देखी देखी सी लग रही है, तो मैक्सिमम वेलोसिटी है सर, v max. We have derived also sir, v max is equal to omega a क्या? Yes, already we have derived. Please check. सर v पॉजिटिव और v नेगेटिव क्यों सर? क्योंकि सर वेलोसिटी नेगेटिव कब होगी? जब उल्टी डायरेक्शन में. यानी क्या? लेट्स फोकस हियर. इफ ऑसिलेशन इज मूविंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव, जब वो इधर आएगा तो इस तरफ उसकी डायरेक्ट, यहाँ पर उसकी वेलोसिटी अगेन किस तरफ होगी? इस डायरेक्शन में. तो वेलोसिटी क्या होगी? नेगेटिव. इस डायरेक्शन में पॉजिटिव. तो इट्स वाई x इक्वल टू 0 कहाँ पर? ये वाले एक्सिस पे सर. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? ओमेगा ए, और यहाँ पर क्या होगा? माइनस ओमेगा ए. अरे बोलो हाँ या ना बच्चे? यस सर. कब? x इक्वल टू 0 पर हमें कितनी वैल्यू मिली? दो वैल्यू, प्लस ओमेगा एंड माइनस ओमेगा. कैसे समझो फिर से ध्यान से. ये एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन, ये एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन, ये मीन पोजीशन. एक ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ से चलते 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 यहाँ पर गया, उसकी वेलोसिटी यहाँ पर आएगी तो क्या होगी सर? इस डायरेक्शन में होगी और मैक्सिमम होगी कितनी? ओमेगा है. इस डायरेक्शन को बोले सर नेगेटिव. Again it will go in this direction sir, this time again maximum, but in this which direction? Positive. What is maximum velocity? Omega. Or positive means what? Plus omega. And negative means what? Minus omega. So minus omega and plus omega. We have denoted the two coordinates we got at x equal to 0. So similarly what we can do sir? We can put v is equal to 0. Sir, when v will become 0? Sir, when acceleration a value is a, sorry, x value is a. At x equal to a, v is equal to 0 क्या सर? हाँ, we know that sir, at extreme position velocity will become 0. Means this distance become a amplitude, and when this distance become amplitude, the velocity here has become zeros. So we can put here what? Sir, v is equal to 0. What we can get? X equal to, you can check it also. You can check it also. Put here x equal to 0, v is equal to 0. If you put here v is equal to 0, this term will become 0. So x square by x is equal to 1. So I can say that when I put here v is equal to 0, what will get? Sir, I will get x square upon में a square is equals to 1. And sir, I can say that x equals to a sir. X square is equal to a square and x is equal to plus minus a. Plus and minus a. Plus a and minus a. इधर का प्लस का है, इधर का माइनस है. यस या नो बेटा? और जब आप अलग अलग वैल्यूज पुट करोगे तो आपको एक अच्छा सा ऐसा एलिप्टिकल शेप मिलेगा. बहुत अच्छा ग्राफ है क्या सर? यस, दिखने में तो बढ़िया दिख रहा है सर. यस. If you plot the graph between Vx and in a proper manner, this graph will be ellipse. So you should remember this is an elliptical equation of ellipse and its graph will looks like this. So this is one of the most important graph. It is directly asked in examination beta. So this graph they can give you and they can ask you so many questions out of it. I hope you got the point beta. So graph between displacement and velocity is very very clear. I hope so I made the point very very well. ठीक बच्चे. Now again the second graph, the second equation, this acceleration versus distance graph, a versus x graph. Sir, this equation is looks like this is a constant na, a square, a is equals to minus of omega square x. This term is constant, yes, omega constant. This is variable and this is also variable. This is acceleration na. If this is variable then acceleration is variable ka sir? Haan, obviously we can say that. Why not sir, we can say that? Because sir, if displacement is changing, acceleration what will happen? Change. Yes sir. And what is it? How x can change? Sir, x will change always from minus a to plus a sir. Are yes or no? Yes sir. So if I place here x value, what will get? A value. Now tell me, if x equal to 0, what a will be equal to? 0. सर x 0 कब होता है? मीन पोजीशन पर, यानी मीन पोजीशन पर एक्सेलरेशन कितना हो जाएगा आप लोगों का? बोलने की जरूरत है क्या? आई होप सो नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा. यस या नो बेटा. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज नाउ माई x is changing from a to minus a to plus a and this is constant. So ये इक्वेशन ऐसा नहीं लग रहा आप लोगों को सर y is equals to mx वाला? बोलो यस या नो बेटा. Yes sir. What is m? Sir, m is slope. What is slope here? Sir, minus omega square. So slope is equal to minus omega square from the above equation. We can say that sir. This is very basic structure of linear equation. I hope you know that. And c is the y-intercept. And what is y-intercept? Sir, it is 0. So c is equal to 0 here. If I plot the graph now, very simple. It will be a linear graph, sir. Yes, because it is a linear equation, sir. This is power 1. This is power 1. And what is the slope? So slope is minus omega square. So I can try here minus a to plus a. किसका वैल्यू? x का वैल्यू. और एक्सेलरेशन का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या होगा? सर एक्सेलरेशन मैक्सिमम होगा a पर. a मैक्सिमम कब है? प्लस a और माइनस a पर. तो जब मैं प्लस a और माइनस a रखूंगा तो मुझे एक्सेलरेशन का क्या मिलेगा बच्चे? वैल्यूज मिलेगा क्या? यस सर. सर रख के देखते हैं, इतना जल्दी जल्दी में समझ में नहीं आएगा. लुक एट हियर बेटा. पुट हियर x इक्वल टू प्लस a. What you will get? Sir, if I put here a is equal to plus a, so I will get a is equal to minus omega square a. At plus a, I will get a is equals to minus omega square a. What minus omega square a? तो a माइनस कब होगा सर? यहाँ पर होगा. कितना पर बेटा? माइनस ओमेगा स्क्वायर a. अरे यस या नो? वो भी कब? जब x इक्वल टू प्लस a पर. ये कितनी वैल्यू है सर? ये सर माइनस ओमेगा स्क्वायर a है सर. Yes, we got 1 point sir here. Yes, no issues. At x equal to minus a, just put here x equal to minus a. What you will get? Sir, a is equal to I will get minus omega square minus a. Sir, minus minus plus क्या? Yes, plus omega square a. Plus omega square will be here sir on positive axis, upside positive, downside negative. So here will be omega square a. But x equal to minus a क्या? Yes sir, 2 coordinate we can make here. Yes, 1 coordinate I got it here. Now what we can do? We can join the line with the points. What is the slope of this equation? Slope we already know sir, minus omega square sir. Sir, this line is a straight line. Yes, the distance versus acceleration graph is looks like this क्या sir? Yes, minus a to plus a. लिमिट ही है उसका बस. I hope these two graphs also clear to you all beta. Okay बच्चे. So again we have done the graphs between the equation and all the things. I hope you understand these two graphs, which is very important. In the next video, I will try to provide you some very important things related to displacement, velocity and time with the help of this equation. So one more thing, revise all the chapters, revise all the concepts very very well, and please continue your study in a proper manner. So thank you bachcho. In the next video, we are going to understand the next some important things related to oscillation, and we'll try to solve some numericals also in the videos. Okay beta, thank you.